Welcome to another 340 writing video. This video is about ordering and linking ideas, part 2 and 3. In the last video, we learned that we use time order words to show when events or actions happen and to help us link ideas. In this video, we're going to be looking specifically at the words after, once, when, while, and before. And we're also going to discuss that we use connectors to make complex sentences. So let's look at some complex sentences with connectors. In the last video, we read a paragraph about how good readers always do 4 important things. They read the title and headings before they read the text. Now there's 2 actions happening in this sentence. Can you guess which action happens first? If you guess that they read the title and headings, that happens first, and second, they read the text, then you're correct. And the reason we know that is because we have this time order word before. Before is going to stay connected with the second action. Now notice that we can change the order of these actions. We can put the second action first. As long as we connect, we keep this word before with this action, then we can change the order and it doesn't change the meaning. We can also, it's important to notice that we must have a comma here if we have this time order word first. So this is what we call a complex sentence. We have multiple actions happening in the same sentence. Let's look at another example. They think of some questions after they quickly look at the text. Can you guess which action happens first? If you guess that this action, they quickly look at the text, happens first, and the second action, they think of some questions, then that's correct. This is the order that these actions happen. And the reason we know that is because of this word here, after. And just like before, we can change the order of the actions in the sentence, but it doesn't change the meaning of the sentence as long as we keep this connector after connected to this first event or this first action. Again, notice that we must have a comma right here because this is a complex sentence. Also notice that we can change the word after for the word once, and it doesn't change the meaning of the sentence. So these words have the same meaning. Let's look at one more example. They learn about the topics while reading the text under each picture. Can you guess which action happens first? If you guess that they happen at the same time, then you're correct. And the reason we know that is because we have this word while. These 2 actions are happening at the same time. And again, we can change the order of them as long as we keep this word while. It doesn't change the meaning. But notice we have a complex sentence here now because we have the word while in the beginning, so we must have a comma here. And just like before, we can also change this word while for the word when, and it doesn't change the meaning. So those are the 5 time order words that we were looking at in this video. Make sure you go back and study these words, pause the video and study these words, and remember the rules about the commas. Now let's put it all together. We've been talking about using connectors to link our ideas. So here's a whole list of some new connectors and some connectors that we learned before. Take a moment to pause this video, study these connectors, and see which connectors you can add to this list, which you think are missing. By using these kinds of words and phrases in your writing, it will help you order your ideas and connect and link your ideas together. Okay, so good luck.